Hey everyone, thank you so much for your support lately. I'm going to be sharing this pattern that's available in my Etsy shop. I will be using the Addi Express machine and waste yarn and a contrasting main yarn. Alright, you're going to be wanting to cast on about 4 to 6 rows of your waste yarn. Alright, now you're going to be adding the main color and you're going to complete 100 rows. And if you go to Amazon, they have this attachment for $7 and you will make your life way easier by using this. I will post a link to everything I'm using below. Alright, you're going to want to have about a 10-inch tail, and we're going to be going the opposite direction when you're spinning it. I'm hand cranking this time, and you're going to pick up each loop that is going to be visible. Alright, you're going to want to inside this out, but be sure to pull the string from the center. Okay, you want to close the hole up while folding it, and now we are going to take a tapestry needle and we are going to sew back and forth, going through back and forth, and you want to kind of hide the hole. So I think I'm going to be doing about 11 little stitches here, so however many it takes to kind of fill in the hole. Alright, and you want to do your desired method of fastening off. I like to go back and forth a few times. So then I'm going to skip one of the stitches and then go back. This is how I like to fasten everything off. Then you're just going to cut the remaining tail. And now you're going to want to inside this out. Alright, now you're going to want to give that a good stretch before continuing. Using the main color, you're going to single crochet onto that last row of your main color. So using a contrasting yarn, it should be pretty easy to identify. And I'm just going to do a single crochet all around. Right now, I just like to do a half double crochet for my next row. You can even do 2 rows of half double crochet, but I just like mine. I don't want mine to be too tight, and I just like the way it looks with just a single crochet and then a half double crochet. Alright, now you're going to want to cut about a 6-inch tail or so. You can do a little bit longer if you want to make it easier to work with. Pull it on through, and now using your tapestry needle, you want to kind of connect all of your tails in the same area but not in the same stitch on the inside of your sock. I like to have all of my tails double knotted, and then I weave them in and fasten them off. Alright, you're going to want to remove your waste yarn. Once again, give it a nice stretch, and now you can test out your tube sock. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and comment if you want the short version. For more easy patterns, head over to my Etsy shop.